want to show you one of my baking hacks for the most amazing banana muffins that are packed with protein. I start with this Simple Mills mix because this just saves a lot of time. You don't have to measure out all the different ingredients. It already has great ingredients. And then I just doctor it up with some of my favorite Truvani products. So I add in the mix, and then I take my Truvani banana cinnamon protein powder. And this is honestly one of the most underappreciated Truvani protein flavors. It is so good. The banana flavor is very subtle. It's not overpowering. I actually use it in place of the vanilla protein a lot of time in my recipes because it doesn't taste that strong of banana and it just gives a really nice sweetness. But I mean, check out those ingredients. So clean, dairy-free, gluten-free, doesn't have stevia or gums or any weird ingredients that a lot of protein powders have. And oh my gosh, it smells like banana bread when you open it up. So I actually add a scoop of the banana cinnamon protein powder to the muffin mix. And here's where it gets even crazier. I take Truvani's collagen peptides. This is another great way to just get additional health benefits into your baking. And the collagen is so versatile. You can really add it to anything. You can add it to sauces, you can add it to liquids. I even add it to jam sometimes, like a strawberry jam. Really great. And again, super clean, only made from one ingredient. It's sourced from Argentinian cattle, really great, trusted source of farms. So I have all my powders in here, and then I'm just gonna add the liquid ingredients to the mix, which is just 3 eggs, some water, and a third of a cup of oil. And then I will bake these up and show you the texture of these muffins. I swear they get even fluffier when you add all of these Truvani ingredients to it. And then they're packed with protein and they are so delicious, but they keep you full for so much longer when you add these ingredients. Okay, they just came out of the oven. Let's take a look. I put chocolate chips on the top of some of them, and I did some walnuts and some cinnamon on the others. They smell amazing. So here you can see, nice and fluffy still. Ooh, they're a little bit hot, but look at that beautiful fluffy texture. I don't know if you can see the steam coming out of them, but they're still nice and tender. They're not dry. These are the best banana muffins I have ever had in my entire life, and they are packed with protein and collagen.